The day at Green City School. It was a bright and sunny day in Green City. Emma, a little child, was excited to go to her new classroom. She packed her lunch carefully. Her lunchbox had a sandwich with cheese, a piece of chocolate, some sliced carrot sticks, and a piece of fried chicken. She also packed a bottle of water because her mum always told her to stay hydrated. When Emma reached school, her teacher, Mr. Brown, was waiting by the chair in the center of the class. "Good morning, Emma," said Mr. Brown with a smile. "Today, we will learn about time. Look at the clock on the wall. What time does it show?" Emma looked up at the round clock with big numbers. "It says 9, she answered proudly. "Very good. Let's start the day with a fun activity. We will learn how to use a chart to track time and activities." Emma loved activities like these. Mr. Brown handed out colorful papers where they could draw their chart. After the activity, it was time for a special trip. The class took a bus to the cinema in the city to watch a movie about the history of the century. The movie showed how people used to live long ago, and Emma found it fascinating. She was amazed to learn that people could buy things with just a cent back then. During the break, Emma and her friends explored the area near the cinema. They found a small hill and decided to climb to the top. "Be careful," Emma warned her friends as she helped Sarah carry her bag up the hill. When it was time for lunch, Emma and her friends sat under a tree. She opened her box and asked Sarah, "Would you like some carrot sticks, chocolate, or chicken?" "Thanks, Emma," said Sarah, taking a piece of the sandwich. "I think the fried chicken is the best part," added another friend, Jake. After lunch, they returned to school. Mr. Brown talked about making changes to improve their daily habits. "You can always choose to do something kind or helpful," he said. Emma thought about how she could help her mom at home by cleaning her room. Later, they worked on a project about careers. Mr. Brown explained different types of jobs people could have. "A teaching career sounds fun," said Emma, thinking about how much she enjoyed school. As they finished their project, Mr. Brown checked their work and said, "Great job, everyone. Don't forget to check your homework tonight." On the way home, Emma passed a toy shop. "The toys here are so cheap," Sarah exclaimed. "Maybe we can save our pocket money and buy something next time." At home, Emma shared her day with her mom. "We watched a movie, climbed a hill, and learned about careers," she said excitedly. Her mom smiled and said, "That sounds like a productive day. Now let's clean the table and get ready for dinner." That evening, Emma sat with her cat, Mittens, and told her everything about her day. Mittens purred softly as if saying, "What a wonderful adventure." Before bed, Emma thought about all the fun she had and how much she loved school. "Tomorrow will be another great day," she whispered to herself as she fell asleep. The end.